Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is plant-based OMAD, what I eat in a day. And this is a recent day where I just ate one meal. If you're new to my channel, I eat a plant-based diet. I intermittent fast. Sometimes I do OMAD, and I'm just sharing what I ate. So this particular day, I started out and the meal was at 5 p.m. and I finished around 7 p.m. So it was at about a 2-hour eating window. And it was a 4-course meal. The first part of it was a smoothie. Now this had about 1.5 cups of frozen berries. It had 3 dates. It had some peanut butter, about a tablespoon of peanut butter, and I used about 1 cup of almond milk. Also in the smoothie, I had a frozen banana, which I threw in hot water for 5 minutes to let that thaw, blended it all up, and then I added about a tablespoon of cacao powder and a tablespoon of maca powder as well. Been using the maca powder, heard that's a pretty good superfood, so I've been getting into using that, and I actually really like the taste of it. So if you haven't tried it in your smoothie, try it out. I think it gives a really good flavor. The smoothie made a big glass. It was about, I'd say around 20 ounces, so really good way to start off the meal. My second course was a big bowl of oranges, and I've been getting some really good citrus right now in February in Bend, Oregon, so that's been delicious. The third course, I had the crock pot cooking during the day. It was a big bowl of veggie curry over rice, and then on the left, I had a salad with it that had cucumbers, avocado, and apple, and on the right, I had a couple slices of Dave's seeded bread with some organic jelly on it. And then my fourth course was the same as I had in my last OMAD video. It was a bowl of dried apricots, some almonds, and some plant-based dark chocolate. So a good way to end it with some dessert there. And if you haven't checked out my plant-based recipe ebook, it's in the description box. Make sure you check that out. It has some delicious recipes that I eat on a regular basis to stay fit and healthy. Make sure you leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.